Hello friends, here welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much friends for watching. If this is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. In today's video guys, I'm going to be share with you or show you step by step how to make your man to fall in love with you, how to make your man to be thinking of you. If you're a man you find it difficult to get a woman, so what you do, how you can make a woman or the person, the type of a woman you have in your mind to fall in love with you. So it's a unisex spiritual stuff. God as well love when two people are together. So there's nothing bad on that. The reason why there's always a problem, split off, or you have a bad luck, you couldn't find a woman, is because of bad energy, negativity around that surround the love karma. So how to clear all this bad negativity, all this bad love karma, I'm going to be sharing with you tonight. Hey, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click on that red button, share this video, click the notification bell because we upload new video every week. Say I'm Bonnie Cinema. Cinema attracts love, peace, and cinema. Whenever you are doing your spiritual about love, try to burn red candle. The reason why I'm using white candle because I'm born cinnamon. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you step by step. It's going to be a quick video. So that is the reason why I'm burning my cinnamon, because I want the love karma, the angel of love to surround me and to get rid of the bad energy. So whenever you are casting your spell or word or prayer or anything you want, or maybe you are looking for a girlfriend, or try to burn cinema, or try to burn your cinema in your house. The smell alone is very beautiful, guys. It's very calm. It's a calm spirit. The smell here is very calm. The odor is very beautiful. It's purified the atmosphere around me here. So because we are doing love spell, so whatsoever get habits of feather, I love using white feather. I love burning white candle because we are going to, it's about love tonight. So you're going to write love. If you have the name of the person in head, put the person name. If it's a woman, if it's a man, if you know his name, just put, and you put your name on that because you are seeking for this person. So you put your name here. So if it's love you are seeking, you can write love, but I always love to write the person name. So write the person name on top because you are the one who is seeking his angel to bring his love back to you. So we're going to go straight. So we're going to burn the candle for the love. Come on. So the next step we're going to be doing, we all know shea butter. If you are the type, the first ingredient is going to be shea butter. If you are a woman, if you're always dry, if down there your private part, your veg is always dry, some women say there's nothing you can do to make them to be moisture. Some women have the moisture naturally. Before their man touch them, they've already surrendered. Down there is already moisture. It depends if you are circumcised, maybe you went through the circumcision. It's okay. There's a lot of tablets for that as well in abroad. But if you do not have access for any tablets, you can get habit of shea butter. Shea butter is full of moisture, and this is organic. Shea butter is very organic one, and it's more safe than coconut oil, especially if you can get the real one from Africa, the one that have not, this one is not went through a chemical. This is raw organic shea butter. So I'm going to show you how to use your organic to rub down there. So before you meet him, if it's a first date, you don't have to use this. But if you're already, some women find it so embarrassed when you met a man for the first date to so if you don't like that, you don't have to use this. So how you are going to be using this? As you can see, we burn our cinnamon. Before you go there, you burn your cinnamon, you pray whatsoever you want. Before we meet, if this man, you pray to him, to this particular thing, and I believe in God. I love praying. I pray a lot. You can do, if you're a Muslim, if it's a Tira, if it's a Quran you want to cry, if it's a Psalm, there's a lot of Psalm. I love Solomon, song of Solomon. You can actually say it. So when you want to say this type of thing before you meet a man, maybe you've already go on dates. So maybe today is second or third date. Definitely it's gonna happen. And you don't want a man to do you like a touch and go. Just eat and run. You just want to tie the man down. You want the man to be want. Men doesn't like when they go inside, it's very dry. It's not really comfortable when man is struggle. It's going to rough and you are not going to enjoy. So get habits of if you cannot find lubricants, you get yourself. I love shea butter, so get it. And so before you go to bed, you want to say a prayer. When you've done everything, you've heard, you've done everything, and you've done everything you want to do. Please, if you really want to you really want this thing to work, I don't want you to skip this video. You're gonna learn, and you are going to be able to have a proper man that you will be calling my man or my boyfriend, and this man is going to marry you sooner, and very soon is going to spill everything. Follow the step, and you wait. Watch this video to the end. Okay, so because there's a lot of things with incantation or prayer we're going to say, you just can't just apply this. The man will enjoy you and don't you. You want this man, and when you want to do any of prayer, you have to believe. Let your heart connect to the shea butter or whatsoever you believe. Even God said that we should believe is going to work. All this thing here, this is love spell, and that is love spell cinnamon, and that is red candle piece, and I use white feather piece. So you pray. I've already wrote whatever I want to say, and I have this around me. I have it in sheet of paper. So it depends how you pray. This is what I used to do. And this prayer, I might leave it down below. I might leave a copy. So this is what I used to say. If you really, 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 really want a man, you want a man for yourself, wake up around 12. If you really know that you will be single for a long time, you'll be single for a long time, and you manage to get this guy, and you want this guy to fall for you, wake up in the middle of the night. I will not deceive you. Or you can pray to this around 1. I will not make, this is not joke. So you wake up around 12 and you ask. I ask you in my prayer that from this moment on, this man, you mention this man's name, will be thinking of me, and will be thinking of me day and night. He will not be able to take me out of his head, and he will always be losing sleep for me. Allow him to freely express the feeling of love that he feels for me. That every day of his existence, he can profess He can profess his most intimate desire to form a family at my side. He is good man. You explain to God, this man is a good man. So just if you don't like that type of prayer, you can say another prayer. There's a different way. You pour your own heart. I have this, I've already jotted this because me too, sometimes I don't know what to say, but for this type of things. And you just say that if I apply this to my private part, you should be looking for me, you should be thirsty for my love. Without me, you should not be able to sleep. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love. You mention love, love, love me, love me, love me. Want me day and night. If you taste this apple today, you know what I'm trying to say. Any other woman apple will not satisfy you except my apple. Anything that the joystick do is the pollinating that is going to harvest it. Everything you are going to be doing, and from today, I should be the one to harvest it. My voice, you should love to be here. Myself, you should like to see. My odor should be the odor you really want to be smell. So love me, and you apply. So when you say your prayer, you have to hide this. You'll be using this whenever. Get a good portion and make sure you pray. When you pray finish, and then when you are there, always use the left finger, okay? The middle one here, when you are applying something like that. So you apply this just a little bit. Make sure it's moisture, okay? To get organic one, don't get the one that have gone through my chemical. Nowadays there's too much chemical. Make sure that it's not preserved, it's organic, you buy it yourself. So you use it around the area. When you are saying that prayer, you face it, okay? If today's your first time of seeing this video, subscribe to Bekkyshow Beauty. Share this video. Click the notification bells. Guys, this is all I have for you. This shall work for you. Stay blessed, guys. Bye for now.